this final song we're going to share with you is called Wild Rover. And it is one that you all may have heard of, but in our version, the Wild Rover is not a dance. It is a pirate ship. And this tells the tragic tale of a young lad who decided to repent for his crimes of piracy. And will he sail the Wild Rover? No, never, no more. I've sailed the Wild Rover for many years, and I've spent all my doubloons on rum and on beer. But now I'm returning with golden great soul, and I never will sail the Wild Rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I sail the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. Now I need y'all to help us out with the hand claps. Ready? I went into a tavern, I used to bring a wench, and I told the landlady my doubloons are spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay, for it's pirates like you that I have every day. And it's no, nay, never, and have your hands, no, nay, never, no more will I sail the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. I come home to me parents, confess what I've done, and I ask them to pardon their buccaneer son, and that they caress me as often before. Will I never will sail the Wild Rover no more. And it's no, nay, never. And clap your hands, no, nay, never, no more will I sail the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. One more time. And it's no, nay, never. No, nay, never, no more will I sail the Wild Rover. No, never, no more. Ah! Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. A big round of applause for the King Serpent Variety Troupe Pirates. Big round of applause for these guys. And now it's time for you all to meet the members of the King Serpent crew. First of all is Lady Pegleg, Peggy Rogers. And as Gypsy Johara and the Mermaid, Johara. And as the ship's Dr. Doc Watley, Bill McAnish. And as the ship's cook and minstrel, Minstrel Michael Blue.
And last but certainly not least, the captain and ringleader of this entire enterprise, David Farina, Captain David Portsmouth.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, a big round of applause for the King Serpent Pirates. And a big round of applause, too, for Josephine over there, who has been filming over there. Josephine is also part of the troupe. She is also a performer. And thank you for acting as stage manager for the show and videotaping it. And we are the King Serpent Variety Troupe. You can learn more about us at Facebook, Twitter, our website, kingserpent.com, and YouTube. We also have some business cards. And if you guys like what you saw over here today at Diamonds Magic, we will be back here in October to perform our haunted pirate show. Captain David will rise from the graves and give you
Use a lot more makeup for that.
Exactly. And also, too, I just want to give a couple of quick thank yous as well. First of all, to Ivan back there, who was working the register, and Ivan for also helping us out playing the mother in a rehearsal today for the Jack Rosethorn story. And also to Vince, the owner of Diamonds Magic, who is not here right now. He took his dog out for a very long walk. And, but yeah, without Vince, we wouldn't be here. So, folks, if you like what you saw, please pass the word on. Take some information about us. Tell your friends about us. Also, as well as our October show, we will be actually in Attleboro October 28th for the Jewelry Steampunk Festival, performing both our Haunted Pirate show and this show, the King Serpent Sailing Circus, and then over at Pearl Street Station Restaurant in November. So with that in mind, folks, thank you very much for coming out and spending the afternoon with us here at Diamonds Magic, and thank you very much, folks. Well done, guys.